Justin Labato here inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here with special guest Bruno Massel.
How you doing, Justin?
Good, how are you, Bruno?
Good, brother.
And we're here to showcase the Wolfgang Über Wheel Cleaner. Now this stuff is amazing and also one of Bruno's favorites.
Yeah, we got a theme going on today.
Yeah.
Typically, my favorites have all been directed towards the race car, or race cars, I should say. But this is strictly for my street car, my wife's car, and our other car. And you know what that comes down to is that I have a thing for wheels that are covered up with brake dust. I mean, I love pretty paint, but I also am a big fan of nice looking wheels and tires. You know what I mean? It's kind of like the whole kit. And a lot of people neglect wheels and tires, wheels specifically. And a lot of reason is because they're hard to clean. You know what I mean? With traditional means. With the Über Wheel Cleaner, it's simply you spray it on, you let it work its magic, hit it with the brushes, stir it up a little bit and rinse it off with a hose. It doesn't get any easier. Let's face it, production cars today, no matter what you get, come with a nice set of wheels. You know, it's kind of like the norm these days, and to let them look nasty, it's just kind of a waste.
It is, and the biggest benefits to the Wolfgang Über Wheel Cleaner is that it's safe on all wheel finishes.
Right.
And that's super helpful. Like you said, OEM wheels, you don't know what style you're getting, but when you do, you want to be able to use something that's not going to ruin them.
Right.
So that is super effective there, and it's pH balanced. So it's going to be helpful in that aspect. It might be too aggressive, but the color changing technology.
That's super cool.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
And I call it lighting up like a Christmas tree, because as soon as it hits something from the iron filings, from the brake dust, it shows you that it's working.
Yes.
Agitating it with the Speedmaster brushes or the Speedmaster wheel mitt, you can't go wrong. That's a winning combo to be able to get those wheels looking brand new all over again.
Yeah, it's quick, it's easy, and it's effective. You have no excuse to drive around with dirty wheels anymore. Brake dust be gone.
Yeah. Clean shoes, clean car that has shoes, which are the wheels, right? Yeah. For more information about the Wolfgang Über Wheel Cleaner, visit Autogeek.com.
Remember, beauty is in the details.